Welcome to the Garden Village. This is the assembly video for both the small and large Pendle parcel store. Your parcel store will arrive by courier, partly assembled in a cardboard box. Open the box and unload the parts. Ensure you have the correct number of parts by checking against the list on the instruction sheet. Stand the pre-assembled unit upright on a flat, level surface. Place the roof on top of the unit so the slope falls towards the back. Using the straight brackets and screws provided, attach the roof from the inside. Choose which side you wish the door to be hinged on and attach with T-hinges, approximately 100mm from both the top and bottom of the door. Attach both the handle and locking tower bolt as desired. Additional extras available are a slate parcel sign, house numbers, and a hasp staple to allow a padlock to be fitted. A combination padlock could be used, enabling you to share the code with a courier for safe delivery of your items. Place the shelf pieces in position. These can be removed if you are expecting larger parcels. Your parcel store can be painted or stained to keep it looking great for years to come.